With over 275 million units of shares traded on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange today, the value at the close of activity stood at 3.907 billion naira. Now, it may interest you to know that on Wednesday, these figures weren't anything close to this. As at yesterday, the volume was over 1 billion, valued at 67.891 billion naira. And now we see what this does to what it did rather to the market today. We see how it impacted the key market indicators. At the end of trading, the all share index continued the losing streak with 0.02% decrease, and the market cap also dropped from 13.119 trillion naira to 13.116 trillion naira, which we now see today. Now, moving on to the top losers, just a day after its chairman Femi Otedola sold his shares in the company, the tables have turned. From positive note yesterday, Forte Oil moved from top gainer and now it is lagging. And this decline here is exactly what happens when market sentiment sets in. Forte Oil is now down, as we can see on the top losers chart, by 9.96% as opposed to 10% increase recorded in previous session. Also visible on this chart is MTN Nigeria, and we also see C&I Leasing as well as Stanbic IBTC. And also moving on now to the best performance, we see Julius Berger leading the pack, followed by WAPCO, and of course Nigeria Breweries is also here, and Dangote Sugar maintains its position, garnering more gains to the tune of 45 kobo, as we can see. On the global markets, FTSE, Dow Jones and Nikkei all in the greens as they all closed in the positive territory. And that's it on the stock market review. It's back to you, Fidelia.
Well, thank you, Owen, for the review. It seems it's still a negative day for the NSE, yet another day in the reds, and it seems we might just be seeing a repeat of what we saw last week when the market started in the negative territory and closed in the negative territory.
Of course, we never really know what's coming until the end of trading activities.
Indeed, let's wait for it to come. Let's see how activities will go tomorrow, that is Friday, the last day of trading for this week.